So when they came in, and we knew it was a girl. I mean, the sheer delight of having a little baby, a little girl, that was immense, absolutely.
Trisha was even so pretty, like even then, so pretty. So I was happy for my son that he had picked the right girl.
She made it like impossible.
Yeah. Am I like in the
Yeah.
clothes?
Yeah.
I was waiting for the train to go to university and saw this girl at the train station. I was like, oh, who's that girl? She's very pretty. and then I saw her again on the following Tuesday. I was like, oh, interesting. Same train station, same Tuesday. And then the best part is, now we're in April 2015, then she asked me out. And then I had the power. I ultimately said yes.
He did say yes.
I did say yes. But I like telling people that she asked me out. And that's kind of how our love story began.
मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं
I was like, I have to tell mom and dad, like they're gonna figure it out and I don't like sneaking around. So I told them, I was like, guys, I have something to tell you. I'm dating someone. And without 1 second, my dad's like, is it Rajiv? And I was like, yes.
तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया ओ तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं मैंने चाहा तुझे मेरी खता नहीं मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं।
और मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ, राजीव को सबसे ज़्यादा कोई खुश रखता है तो ट्रिशा रखती है।
कुछ दिन मेरे यार पुराने की हो गया हो तेरे नहीं क्यों होश ठिकाने की हो गया हो कमले नु तेरे होर किसे दी कमले नु तेरे होर किसे दी लोड़ ते फिक्र नहीं वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं तेरे नाल प्रीता लैया वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं मैंने चाहा
What chumka? What chumka? What chumka?
Like, I don't know if you guys have heard, because like it never really comes up, but like apparently he kind of looks like some dude named Tiger Shroff, but like, I don't see it. I don't know.
Trisha, model citizen that she is, decides to go get into a huge argument with her dad, and when he inevitably says no, Trisha goes, I'm such a good daughter. At least I'm being honest with you. Yatin told me to lie to you.
बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे
What chumka?